Welcome to your newest listing, 6110 Bethesda Way. This property has a lot of custom upgrades. I want to take you on a tour. Come on, let's go. Here we are in the kitchen space. As mentioned, there are a lot of upgrades going on throughout this property. Let's start right here in the kitchen. This island was custom made just for this property. The countertops are concrete countertops. The lighting, custom made here. Brand new appliances, new cabinetry. One thing I really like about this property is there was a wall here at one time, and they blew this open so that it flows a lot better with a nice bar top up here. Let's take a look at this. Here we are in the living room space. Something a future buyer is just going to really enjoy about this is the open concept it has with the kitchen area. Some upgrades about this particular area. You have the new can lights, flooring throughout. Check it out. Here we are, we finally made it to the master bedroom. As you can tell throughout this property, lots of upgrades. This room is no different. New trim, new doors, new paint. This bedroom is pretty big. This is a king size bed, good space. What I think a future homeowner is going to really like as well, master bathroom attached. Go take a look at that. Here we are outside. As you've seen throughout the house, we've had a lot of upgrades. It's no different than out back. We're out back right now. You have this giant storage unit. As you can see how tall it is. There's a lot going on. By the way, this property is not too far from Eagle Creek, and there's kayaks stored out back. Go take a look at those.